Welcome to the Language Year, where we're revolutionizing language learning through natural comprehension. Whether you're just starting out or already advanced, our unique approach mirrors the way children naturally acquire language. What makes us different? Our AI-powered narration delivers clear, authentic speech patterns, no tedious grammar drills or endless vocabulary lists. Every piece of content is thoughtfully designed for all proficiency levels, making language acquisition both accessible and enjoyable. Turn everyday moments into learning opportunities. Whether you're commuting, walking, cooking, or winding down at bedtime, our flexible method lets you learn at your own pace, guided by natural understanding. Join our growing community as we expand with more languages, interactive discussion spaces, and rich cultural insights. Every listening moment brings you closer to fluency. Ready to start? Choose your language, put on your headphones, and immerse yourself in the natural rhythm of your target language. Let's transform language learning one ear at a time.